Okay guys, so I have tried to 3D model and print a couple filler pieces here for both legs of the X-transbots Menasor, and this would be for his right leg. So this is my fourth revision. These two rectangular protrusions here would engage into these two receptacles here on this panel, and then the hole here would engage over that post, and I'm going to demonstrate how to install these. So we have a tab here that is going to engage into this slot on the leg panel. So I'm going to go ahead and install it, and the goal of this is to stiffen the lower portion of the leg. We all know that the leg tabs in up here by the knee, but down here the leg is very loose. So this filler piece will engage it into the slot on the inside of the leg, bring the panel up, and engage over the post and engage the two square pieces into the hole. We'll flip this panel up. This panel then gets flipped up and rests against the printed piece. Then the outside panel will then need to come up and fold down. And these two tabs will engage into this area and the hole back here on the end. So we'll fold this up, go over the tabs, gently press down and engage those over the printed piece, and then we can fold down the inner panel, and that is completed here for the right leg. Now for the left leg, I have designed this panel, or this filler piece, which is very similar. We have a rectangular protrusion, we have the hole here for this post, and we have a similar tab. Now mind you, these 3D printed pieces are done on a less expensive 3D printer, so a lot of filing, trimming, fitting had to be done prior to this to be actually a working scenario. So once again, we engage this tab into the slot on the leg panel. We'll bring this panel up, engage the piece over the pin, we'll wrap that leg panel around, okay. This panel here on the leg itself needs to be 90 degrees to this surface. So when you okay, before we fold this in, so when this panel gets folded down, you're going to engage this rectangular protrusion on the leg into the cavity here on the printed piece. So we'll bring that down, press fit that into place, and then bring the other panel around, and that completes the installation. So here's the figure with the pieces installed, and I'm going to gently push on this, and I'll turn him around. So as you can see, the two pieces are now installed, And basically it solidifies the lower of portion of this leg so that it's more stable. Now, this is my first effort in trying to do something like this for an actual toy figure. I'm going to post this on the message boards, and I kind of want to get your guys' feedback on any improvements or other ideas. So we'll just see what happens.